Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I want to share the Hero Arts October 2018 card kit that I got in the mail today. I have this postcard here that they included in the box. So you get free shipping on $50, and that's the other side. So that's the postcard they included in my box. So to get the free shipping, I included this stump set here, and this is the hummingbird stump set. So I've been eyeing this stump set for a long time now, and when I ordered my card kit, I just included this one here. And I love hummingbirds, so this is perfect. And this one has like thank you, hello, sentiment, you're the sweetest, my heart beats for you, you hum to your own beat. It has 3 of the hummingbirds, and then it has 2 flowers here. So I really like this stump set. So I got that. So the card kit this month has this iridescent watercolor ink, and it says here you shake well before you use it. I don't know how to use this on projects. I need to look it up, but this is really shimmery paint, so or ink. So I got this one here, and then the kit also has 2 of this blue glitter paper, silver glitter paper, and 2 of this green glitter paper. So you get 6 of this, 2 each color. So I got that, and then it also comes with this iridescent tiny stars here. So I got that. That's good for embellishments. And then the stamp set and dies is wrapped with this really pretty blue ribbon, so I can use this on other projects later. So I got that. And then this stamp set is really cute. You can do a lot of things with this stamp set, and I really like the images. You get all of these animals here, and you get all of these kids that are playing and skating, and you get this big Christmas tree here that you can decorate with this ornaments here. And then it also comes with this here, the star that goes on top. That's really cute. It has icicles, lamp posts, and there's a lot of stuff that is included in the stamp set, and you also get a few of the sentiments. So I really like this stamp set here. And then it also comes with all of these dies here that will die cut your images. So that's gonna make your life easier. You don't have to do fussy cutting. So this is my Hero Arts October 2018 card kit. So we're probably going to make 3 cards, 1 stamp set collaboration with this kit next month. So stay tuned for that, but we're not sure yet. So this is my card kit and the stamp set that I add to my order. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.